Dear all, today I will talk about why do we need plotting. We need plotting because after a certain limit we cannot interpret the data. Suppose we have, for example, nowadays COVID-19 data. COVID-19 is surging so much that every day data is coming and every day different data is coming. So if you do not plot it, you will not be able to understand the way it is moving, the graph, how the graph is going. So we cannot understand without plotting it properly. For example, if I have the data of temperature every day, so the data of temperature, by this data of temperature you cannot understand how temperature is moving, how is temperature increasing or temperature is decreasing. The trend cannot be understood by the data only. We have to have a plot that a movement, how it is increasing, how it is decreasing, what is happening to it. For that we need a plot. So I will say that suppose you have to any data and the data can be converted to a graph. So if you have any data, the data can be converted. Suppose you have 2, then 3, then again 2, then the 4, then this data can be plotted as a trend that initially it was at 2, after some time it has been moved to 3, then again it came back to 2, then it again increased to 4. So like that we can say this here is 2, here is 3 and here is 4. So a trend means trend of movement can be understood from this. You know that it's very important to see the graphs in medical. So suppose ECG signal, whatever the pattern of ECG is, doctor actually see the pattern of ECG. So if it is not represented in graph, how can you see the pattern? So graphs are very important. अब ग्राफ आपका हो सकता है कि आपने मैनुअली प्लॉट किया हो, जैसा मैं अभी प्लॉट कर रहा हूँ, हो सकता है कि आपने किसी सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प से प्लॉट किया हो. ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर्स में से एक सॉफ्टवेयर जो हम लोग अभी पढ़ रहे हैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर है MATLAB सॉफ्टवेयर. MATLAB सॉफ्टवेयर में ग्राफिक्स एंड प्लॉटिंग की बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटी है. बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटी मतलब है कि आप इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे फंक्शंस हैं जिनकी हेल्प से आसानी से आप ग्राफिक्स और प्लॉटिंग कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल कि आपको मान लो कि वो कोई 1D प्लॉट बनाना, जैसा मैंने अभी बनाया, कोई 1 डायमेंशनल प्लॉट बनाना है. 2 डायमेंशनल प्लॉटिंग, इवन 3 डायमेंशनल प्लॉटिंग भी मैटलैब से की जा सकती है. ये इसका स्पेशल फीचर है. और तो मैं जो इस लेक्चर में आपको बताऊंगा कि 2D प्लॉट्स कैसे बनाए जाते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी will go through 2D plots, and then in the 2D plot I will tell you the different characteristics of plot, like how to add title of the plot, how to add axis title of the plot, means x-axis title and y-axis title, how can we do that, all that, and how to change the color of the line of graph, and how to change thickness of the line, like that. So and how can we change the this, suppose you have plotted like this, so every point you can mark over the graph like this. So how to change the type of these markers in the graph, like that. So these kind of things I will teach you how to do in the MATLAB. And if suppose you want to plot two plots in the same axis. So, suppose you have x and y axis, and in this axis only, if you want to plot two plots simultaneously, then what to do? That I will tell in this session. I will also to tell you that how to divide a graph into the subplots. Means if you have a big window, and how to divide it into the small plots. So this is called subplotting. How to plot a small plot inside a big MATLAB plot. So subplotting, I will tell you how to do that. I will tell you that some advanced features like handles in the graph and easy way of editing. Means how can you edit it easily. So that I will also tell you. So these are all graphical features. Means all the features that we'll do in the graphics. I'll say after the 2D plotting, I will also discuss with you about 3D plots. So let me take it. So we'll go with the 3D plotting also. A very nice cone will appear. Very nice ball-like things will come using MATLAB. You will see. I will show you how to do all those things. We will also see some function plots. Means if you have any function in your textbook, you can plot this function with the help of function plots in the MATLAB. This all is going to come in this lecture. Okay, so this was the brief outline of the lecture.